You are going to love 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, convertible soft top, tires, front, on-off road, tires, rear, on-off road, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power steering, passenger airbag, bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.